Tuplo Studio offers multiple payment options for easy order processing. To start, click Add Payments to open the payment window. The credit card payment option allows you to accept payments via a smart terminal or by manually entering credit card information. Cash, check, and gift card payments are added by entering the desired amount and additional information and then clicking Process. The Other payment option allows you to receive custom payments through external systems and can be configured in your Tuplo dashboard. Orders placed through your web store will contain pre-authorized credit card and PayPal payments, denoted by a green badge. Since pre-authorized payments are in holding, you must capture them by right-clicking and selecting Capture Funds or by using the Capture button. Pre-authorized payments and captured payments not yet sent to batch can be voided, releasing any holds on customer funds and canceling any captured payments before processing occurs. If you need to refund a processed captured payment, use the credit command to issue the refund. When an additional amount due occurs in orders with a previous credit card transaction, you can right-click and choose Capture or authorize additional funds instead of adding a new payment. The Reverse payment option reverses a cash payment that was accidentally entered, such as when a customer hands you cash but then decides to pay by card. Reversing payments should not be done to issue cash back. For in-person orders where you'd like to issue cash back, click the Cashback button. Once the amount due equals 0, the only remaining steps in your order are to ship products accordingly, which we will cover in another video. For now, you can confidently start accepting and processing payments in Tuplo Studio.